This is love, okay? This is more than
Hey you guys, welcome back to Slay with Nikki. Guys, I want to tell you thank you for so much support and love you've been giving me for my first video. I really appreciate it. I have so many ideas I'm ready to share with you guys, and I hope y'all excited and enjoy me just as much I enjoy doing this for you guys. So today we're going to do a tutorial on how to get this eyebrow. Okay, so there are a few things you'll need before you start your eyebrows, okay? So you do want clean cut eyebrows. With me, I shaved and shaped mine. So if you like to get them waxed or you like to shave them and pluck them yourself, that's cool too. But it's best to do it with a clean eyebrow. If not, you can always do it when it's a little rough too. If you want it to be applied nicely and come off really smooth and clean, you do want it to be shaped up, okay? Okay. All right, one, you would need a Fenty brow pencil or any brow pencil. You guys, I'm telling you, push come to shove, you can go to the hair store. Hair Crown, Hair King, whatever. Go to the hair store. Right at the register, they always have those dark brown eyebrow pencils. They're there for a reason, girl. They're 99 cents. They work good. So get the darkest brown you could possibly get, okay? But today, I just wanted to try this Fenty one. It's $20. I'm not quite sure if it's worth $20 to be real. But push come to shove, you can always go to the hair store. You for sure in the heck need this. It's an angle brush, right? I love this angle brush. Need an angle brush, okay? Need a concealer, a little bit lighter than your skin tone. So it's the same concealer that I used on my first video. And thanks again for watching. But anyway, same concealer as I used in my first video. And here you go. The Maxio Fit. Okay, all right, so hang on. I'm gonna start with the tutorial. Okay, give me a second. So we're gonna start with the Fenty liner. Okay, so the Fenty liner has one side is for the pencil and another side, which I really like about this brow pencil, is it comes with a little brush. And this is important for me since I have thin eyebrows. I need to kind of brush them down before and after I apply the pencil liner because it helps darken the hair streaks and make it a bit more natural looking. So let's start. So I'm gonna get the little brush. Brush my eyebrows up in the middle. Brush it out this way so it can be neat and ready for me to draw all over them. Okay. This is really cute. It comes with like so many tiny little hairs. I wish you can see. It's a really good brush. Make you feel like it's worth the $20 that it costs. Okay, so let's see. So now we're gonna go on the pencil side. Roll it up just a little bit, and we're gonna start drawing light strokes in the middle. And I also like to draw outwards with little Kim Kardashian whisper brow. Little ordeal going on here. And let's see, you're gonna brush it out. Brush it all the way out. I really like this color, y'all. It goes good with my highlights. It's not too dark. You don't want to get an eyebrow color that's too dark, because then it'll look like clown makeup. So you kind of want something like a dark brown, not black, y'all. Do not get black eyebrow pencil, please don't. They're gonna talk about you, I'm telling you. So no, always do dark brown, okay? We're not gonna do black at all. Get the closest brown. If you have dark hair, get the closest brown to black. But don't get black. It's gonna look crazy. Okay. So I'm gonna see how I just made it light here. I like my brow to look really natural. And then, like, it's okay. It don't have to be all perfect. But, like, even if you draw out here, just leave it. Because then I'm going to show you how to clean it up, okay? So then, I'm going to draw here to little Kimmy Kim. Little Kimmy Kardashian. Okay. I might have went a little too heavy, but whatever. It's okay. And just kind of, like, fill it in here. Just light little strokes. You see, I barely have any here, so I'm just gonna draw that on out. I'm about to make me some eyebrows. You baby. They so thin. Well, not today. Okay. Today will be the last day. I walk around without eyebrows. Oh wait. The last day you walk around with our eyebrows, so we can make them. Now we're gonna go back to the other end of the pencil. We're gonna brush it upward. See how they kind of laying it down? Let me see if the camera picking up. You see how it's laying the hair down? It looks more natural instead of like a little foggy brown makeup over your lashes. You don't want that. Brush it on out. So I'm gonna go back in and draw some more defined lines. It doesn't matter which way they're like. You don't want them all facing the same way. You kind of want them to be all over the place, right? Push it on in. See what I'm saying? Oh, look at that. Look like hairs. Push it on in. Okay. All right. This up. Now we finished with the brow pencil. Wasn't it easy? Just do light strokes. Remember, light strokes, little light hairy looking strokes, right? And then when you go in, do not make a box. Some people now, okay, so number one, do not ever get black eyebrow pencil. It's a tragedy, I promise. And then another big tragedy I see people do, and they look like they have so much potential to do great eyebrows, right? But it's like right in here. Baby, I don't know if they like fell in love with trigonometry or what's going on, but they sure in the heck likes to do a left degree angle. It'd be like so precise. You do not want like straight box brow here. So you kind of want to go light strokes here, little hairy light strokes, and then kind of fill it in outward. You feel me? So it looks a little light right now. When we draw it, once we put the concealer around it and shape it up and clean it up, you can see it more.
Here we go. So now I use the same concealer, of course.
Okay, so we gotta use the same concealer that we used for my first video, right? My first video. Okay, I'm so excited about it. And then again, I do want to remind you guys, thank you so much. I could just cry right now, but thank you so much for y'all support. I'm excited. It's my second video, y'all. And I'm serious with this. Like, I'm gonna come with the 150th video, trying to give you what I got and playing makeup with you guys. My twin sister, she's in New York. And so I'm all by myself. So y'all my twin, okay? All right. So here we go. So this is what we're gonna use to shape up brow line, okay? So, I mean, you have to have an angle brush, nice natural crease into your eyebrow. Okay, got it. I'm gonna get the concealer, just enough to saturate the hairs on the brush. See, I'm brushing it across the concealer brush. See, and on both sides. And kind of like glide it across to get any excess off the brush. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the shorter end outward, right? It's an angle brush, so you have a higher point and then have a lower point. We're gonna go in with the lower point first, okay? So we're going to do my left eye first. So I'm gonna start here, lightly glide. So you want to start beginning of the brow at the bottom, right? So we're going to start here with a steady hand. Gonna glide across, right? And I'm gonna kind of follow my arch, right? But I don't want to go too far in now. So pay attention to how much of a brow that you have, because sometimes you may go in and then you have like a Michael Jackson brow or something. You don't want that. Okay. Oh, God bless Michael Jackson. But whatever, you know what I'm saying. You don't want to look crazy. Okay, so then here you're gonna turn a little bit. Pick it up a little bit if you need to. So you go up and that. Okay. So now I'm gonna kind of like glide any excess concealer away from the brow, because you don't want that build up right there, right? Kind of wipe that down. Right? We have that here, and then I'm gonna use the other side, which still has concealer. I'm gonna do the same thing and start with the lower angle of the brush. So you're gonna start here at the top of the eyebrow and glide across. You kind of want to cut into here just to clean up any excess makeup that could be there. So you're gonna go in like this, right? Stay on the outskirts. It's better to start outward and work in, so that if you mess up, you can always go in. But if you mess up while you're too close into your makeup, you have to start over or reapply it. Oh Lord, see what I'm saying? Okay. So have that here. I'll blend this outward. You see the little buildup right here? You see? You kind of want to push that out. So get close as you can. And if y'all see pimples on my face, I think y'all that the Milk foundation that I used on my last review broke me out. So if you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend that Milk foundation. Like, no thank you. Don't do it to yourself. It feels like cheap makeup. I don't like cheap makeup. I don't like anything cheap. Quality is everything. Oh Lord. But that's okay. See, you can blend all that out, right? That I messed up a little bit here. It's starting to look a little The Rock, you know, he said you smell what The Rock is cooking. That's what it's doing a little bit over here. So if you mess up, I'm glad I messed up. So if you guys mess up, y'all can know what to do. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. I see that this one is full of hair, like I like it. That old Kim Kardashian brow. So I'm gonna go here. See how it's thinner? I went in too far. Remember I was saying it's best to start out and then go in, then to go in and have to do what I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm gonna get this brush so I can wipe off any excess concealer, because I hate drawing on top of a concealer, because not only is it wet and kind of like greasy, like it will make the color of your brow pencil turn like gray or bluish color. You know, you don't want that. Look at that. Look what that Milk foundation did. Did this, and this. See, you see Fenty side? This was where my Fenty foundation was applied. And this is the side my Milk foundation was applied. And bam, 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 bam. Because I blended in here with the Fenty. It must have had an extra chemical reaction because it got 3 of them here, but here and here. That sucks. But whatever, that comes with the territory when you're trying new foundation, right? But that's why I'm here, to take the licks for you. So, because I have sensitive skin. So if it breaks me out, I'm telling y'all. It broke me out. So y'all don't have to go out there and get your skin broke out and then spend all that money on it. Because I'm going to tell you, if I don't like something, I will tell you. That's why I'm doing a review, to give you the real. Okay. I got this brush. I'm going to blend this concealer along with my eyeshadow.
Now, usually you guys, so you just kind of like, you can just go in circles really, and blend in, and then like, kind of can go a little harder if you do what I did, and start with your eyeshadow first, and then if it doesn't work, always use this. That's what they're there for. You have finish the makeup. Alright, let me go to the top, blend.
See? Now you have a natural, pretty little clean cut, polished brow. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you, girl. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You done enhance your beauty, girl. Here we go. You got your eyebrows on. You got your makeup on. You got your outfit on. Now you're ready to go enjoy yourself and be confident. Like, makeup, clothes does not make you confident. But when you go out, sometimes you second guess yourself. The last thing you want to worry about is what you look like. So I just got y'all hooked up. You just slayed with me and got your eyebrows on fleek. I know people don't say that, but I'm old school. I still say mug. I still say on fleek. I still say that mug tight. Ooh, the mug, that mug tight. Ooh, the mug tight. Ooh. I still say it all. Once I get my slang, I put it in my back pocket and I ride it into the sunset. I'm probably gonna be 80 years old talking about that mug tight. My grandbaby's gonna come up there and do some old weird dance. I'm like, that mug tight. That mug was tight. Okay, you guys. So, thank you for watching my second full video. You guys, I am so excited about this YouTube thing. It's so much fun. I love to play in makeup and I love to teach people how to do makeup. And also leave a comment, let me know what all you want me to do. Like, do you want to see me show you how to do a tight low bun? Just tell me, whatever you want to see me do. I can do mostly anything. Just request it in the comments and I definitely read all of them, and I do appreciate every like that I receive, every subscription. I see you guys. I love you guys. And y'all go have fun this weekend. Okay. I'm so excited, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to share. Oh, do not forget to hit the bell button until then, because the bell button next to the subscription, it allows you to receive notifications on your phone or on your laptop when I post a new video. Alright, so you don't always have to just search me. You can always just get a notification like, oh, Dana has something else she's slaying, right? So thank you guys so much. I had so much fun. I really appreciate it.